Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to filter columns with your pre-built uh, tables. So open up the menu, uh, click the drop down arrow in the header of the column you want to filter. So right here you will see it, and now here you can have basically filter by color, filter by condition, and filter by values. So if I click here on the values, you will see uncheck specific items you want to hide and click OK. So as you can see, I can hide low stocks, in stocks. If I hide both of them, everything is gone. Now if I just show in stock, I will see just in stock, and just like that. Then we have here filter by condition. So filter by condition we have here. Um, so yeah, text contains, then you can use greater than, or something like date is after right here, or date is before, date is. So you can really isolate specific data points. Now also we have filter by color. If your table has conditional formatting, you can filter rows based on the fill or text color. And yeah, I think this is pretty much the best way how you can filter columns with your pre-built tables. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next